Welcome to MJC Learning. Today we are going to study about ADR GDR. Okay, today's topic is ADR GDR. IDR we are not doing. Our syllabus only contains about ADR and GDR. Before we proceed to this topic, I would tell you that in this session of video I have made this topic very simplified so that it can be understood by every student. So come, let's proceed with the topic. Students, ADR GDR is a source to raise finance from foreign companies by selling our shares to foreign investors. So we are using ADR and GDR. Let us see the full form of ADR GDR. ADR is American Depository Receipt. GDR is Global Depository Receipt. Now we'll discuss about ADR and GDR. Shares are listed. See now what is listing? And it is traded. Now what is listing and trading? First let me clear out that. As we go to a vegetable market, there you can find vegetables are laid down. If you go to a fish market, you will find fishes are laid down. Okay, same way when you go to a stock exchange. Now, stock exchange is a share market where shares are put up, where companies give the name of the company, the name of the shares, the type of shares, the value of share, everything is put in the list. And then people come and see the list and they buy or sell the share. So, shares are listed and traded in stock exchange for buying and selling. So buying and selling is done only in stock exchange. Stock exchange is a share market. So we have so many stock exchange. I have mentioned only two stock exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange. We have many other like Calcutta Stock Exchange, Gujarat Stock Exchange, etc. Our Indian economy has adopted a free policy, that is liberalization. Free policy means free, liberalization. Our country is free to trade with any foreign country. Also, we can buy our shares or sell the shares to foreign countries. The next is globalization. As I told you, liberalization, free, globalization. Now, globalization means the whole world. Our Indian economy has adopted globalization. Globalization means to carry on the trade to any part of the world. We can have trade with any part of the world. You can have trade with America, we can have trade with Russia, we can have trade with Italy. Now, what is trade? Buying and selling. We can do it with any country because we have adopted globalization. So, we have to list our shares in foreign countries stock exchange like New York, or you can also list this National Association of Securities Dealer Automated Quotation. This stock exchange is also in New York. If you want to sell in America, you are going and listing your shares in Stock Exchange of America. So these two are American Stock Exchange. If I want to sell the share, I will go and list my share in New York Stock Exchange. If Indian shares are to be listed, if we want to list, put our share in foreign stock exchange of New York Stock Exchange, this both the stock exchanges are in New York, then why we want to list in New York? Because we want to trade with America. We want to sell our shares in America. So if we want to sell our shares or trade in America in New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ, we have to follow policies of America. Policies means rules and regulation. And policies of Indian Stock Exchange is different from New York Stock Exchange. You can't say what policy we follow is the same policy in New York. It is different. So Indian company which wants to sell the share will do the listing. But Indian company cannot list the share directly. I cannot go directly to New York Stock Exchange and put my shares there. It can be done by indirect method by using ADR or GDR. Now why both the names are different? Both are depository receipt. ADR is also a depository receipt. GDR is also a deposit. The only word you can find here is difference is A and here you will find is G. ADR is dollar denominated instrument, that means it is sold in America, and GDR is in European countries other than America. So in European countries you will find euro, as Indian company you find rupees, American country you will find dollar, and European country you will find euro. Now I'll tell you in short, this is a short story of ADR and GDR. Suppose my Indian company wants to sell shares, ordinary share, that is equity share. So I cannot go directly to the overseas depository. Overseas means foreign depository. In America, New York depository, I cannot go directly to New York. So when company wants to issue share, company will go to first our own depository, that is domestic custodian. To this person I will give my all shares. Then this domestic custodian will speak to overseas deposit. Overseas means foreign country depository. America you say. Both will have a contract. So our domestic custodian will give all our shares to this overseas depository. These overseas, that you can say New York Stock Exchange, will change that equity share into ADR as well as GDR. Means they will change it into a depository receipt. And that depository receipt is sold in the market. It is listed in the market and given to the foreign investors. That means our shares are changed by overseas depository bank as depository receipt, and then they are listed in the stock exchange and sold to the foreign investors. This is also the same thing which I would explain. That is, first the domestic company, that is Indian company, will ask its custodian to, they want to sell the equity share. This custodian will have a talk with the depository. Both of them will have an agreement, and then it will go to the foreign bank, that is foreign depository. Now Indian company issues shares to its middleman, to its intermediary. So Indian company will directly not go to New York bank. It will give it first to the Indian custodian. The Indian custodian will have an agreement with the New York, that is Depository Bank of New York. These both will have an agreement. Okay. Then this depository will change the share into ADR and GDR. Now ADR means what and GDR means what? ADR and GDR both are depository receipts, and this receipt contains the number of shares. And now this receipt is sold in foreign stock exchange. Price will depend on what is the price of this depository receipt. Depends upon the demand and supply. Demand is more, supply will be less, share will increase, share price will increase. Demand is less and supply is more, so share price will decrease. So price is decided by the demand and supply. Both are receipt, both are depository receipt. What is the difference then? The only thing is the location where they are traded. If depository receipt is sold in America, then it is called as ADR. If it is sold in other than America, not in America and the rest of the world, then it is called as GDR. So, non-resident Indians, that means those who are Indian but they don't stay in India, they stay in America, they stay in Pakistan, they stay in Australia, they stay in Russia, wherever they are, they can purchase Indian shares in their own country by purchasing ADR and GDR. So, if they are in America, they will be purchasing ADR. If they are in Europe, they will be taking GDR. Or any other part of the country, then they will be taking GDR. Then how the shareholder gets this ADR? If I am staying in America, then if I am purchasing shares, I will be getting ADR which will be deposited in my trading account. That means my share account, which is called as Demat account. In that it will be deposited. Then what about dividend? Company pays dividend. If it is an Indian company, company will pay in Indian rupees to the American Depository Bank. American Depository Bank will change that Indian rupee into American dollar and issue the dividend. So in Depository Bank converts its currency into the investor's company and pays dividend. So this is about our ADR and GDR. In short, I'll tell you, these are the four people who are there in the ADR and GDR. Indian company will give the share to the custodian bank, means which is an Indian bank, Indian depository. This Indian depository will have a talk with the foreign depository. Foreign depository will give ADR or GDR. That ADR and GDR is listed in the foreign country's stock exchange. From this stock exchange, people will be purchasing the shares. So in this way, we are able to sell our shares in foreign country by ADR and GDR. Indian company is able to get a lot of capital from foreign countries. Thank you, students.